Hello, oh, 1 second. Mother, where's my briefcase? Alright, thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother. Well, I'd like you to meet a very special friend of mine. I met him in 9th grade in high school. And so here he is. Yeah. Doggy funny. Yes, did you get the right character, Johnny?
Yes, I did.
Alright, well, thank you, for watching this, because, we don't get paid much. We get about $2 a year, so, yeah.
Are you kidding me? $2 a year?
Yes, now shut up. Well, and here's a little word from, Mr. Baby. Hello. I like waffles. What I also do really like are waffles. So, waffles. You're supposed to talk about, the washing our hands, and being clean.
Oh, yes.
You should drink a lot of water and waffles. I mean, water, not waffles. One time, my dog, he put his poop in my drink, and I drank it, and I went like this. Well, this is extremely weird. So we'll go to Mr. Baby again. I'm really sorry about him. He's disgusting. No, I'm not. Turd. I'm sorry. That will not ever happen again. Well, thank you for watching Mr. Dog and Mr. Baby. Yeah. Goodbye.